So then we're gonna play 99 like with Star or IDK. He's the FP, so I'm gonna upload. Okay. And by the way, I'm recording. Oh well, they're gonna hear this. Oh my god. Backup today map agad. I have unwritten. I have unwritten. Okay. I'm gonna get the benefit, okay. Bro, this is this. This is this. I have to buy, I have to buy, 20 furniture, 20 furniture. So, good luck already. Bro, it is a day what? I found the dog house. I already found the dog house. Lawrence, build the bed. Kung mag-build na ka. Bakit? Para matapos na yung mga tasks mo. Hindi may bilang 20 furniture furniture right
Ay,
there.
bibili ka?
Oo.
Kala ko
I have to eat meat for 20 days. So get so many meat. I'll save the first kid. I already see the first kid, bro. I wish this and I think was the hardest and the quality of freak. Bro, I actually fall dead, bro. They step on my body. Hey, pond. You know you can still stand up on the top of the cave, right?
myself.
Oops. Sight. Me looking at the water. I don't know why I'm looking at the water. Please don't drown me. Why are you drowning me? Oh, there's a firefly in that room. Oh, the room got eaten.
What if I drop you in here?
No. How did you already get abandoned? What's up? I'm laggy. Get the meat. Get the meat. Get the meat.
You get the meat. You have joints. You have joints.
Okay. 1, 2. Did it, full pile?
Okay.
By the way, how did you, Ba't masakit yung lamunan mo?
Baga
Blagger.
sisigaw na sigaw ako.
I don't know why daw, pero bas. I think I can eat too. I can eat raw meat too. I cannot eat carrots. I can only cook, ano yun ulit?
Only for 20 days.
Yeah,
Pag
but
21 days na, pwede ka na kumain.
yes, ano pa? Ito. Di ba ito. Ano yun ulit? Pwede ko cook yung meat sa stew, di ba?
Okay.
So, meaning we have to be stone chest.
What? Excuse me po.
Okay po. Good luck. Bakit? Avoid getting chased by two alpha wolves, but they lost me. Is the military here? Okay. Out! But only flashlight. Where's my wall else? Ah! Spear, old rod, revolver, or alternative loot spear. I see a red. Why do I always see this? I always see farm. Is that even there? I always keep opening chests. Do you need any old flashlight? Okay. I haven't eaten meat, so I'm gonna eat meat. I need to eat meat. I have to always eat meat. Even my why do I always say fairy house? What did I do there?
Six J.
And I can't even eat cake.
Six J.
May sabi ko sa'yo.
Password. Naiba naman ay wait lang. Nasa ginaw.
May sabi ko sa'yo star. May sabi ko sa'yo.
Oo, siguro. Ayos ka rin. We have to make the pinalitan na kasi ang dami doon ako. Oo. Doktor dali. Lawrence, balik mo nga ako sa books. Mami, may pinapagawa na naman.
Okay.
Okay ka ba? Anong
Tuloy. I love, I have to eat. Uh, 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 skill test. Skill test. Contest. 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 Let's start it off. Let's go. Let's go. I'll bring you back to game. Okay. I already completed game one. I already completed it. Ito yung favorite ko, yung basketball. I completed it. Bro, I completed every game. This is why I love the carnival. But I didn't even have the quest. I didn't even have the quest. Okay. How did you find that? I just said, bakit ganun yung chest? Why is it like, what is that chest? It looks so weird. Why is it red? Oh, wait a minute. Hindi has black. Hindi makita may black. Yan, layo ko kasi. Sabi ko, ba't ganun? Kaya nung naglapit ako. I was like this, look. What the heck? It's a chest. Open it. I daan from the wrong spot. I don't care for red chest. I don't like red chest. But if I rice is my favorite. Oh, oh, I forgot I found phone. I can open the iron chest. Tick, I can even eat that. Ouch! Grande Maria. What happened, bro? I got it. Ah, I was stuck in the chest kanina. Bro, I'm going to open the gold chest. Okay. And you got the song axe. I want giant. And you also the first Bro, I got strong flashlight. Oh, it's on D6 now. Bro, you know the fastest thing to get to day 99 yeah. in 10 minutes. And alam mo ano pa, yung nagawa dun, ginawa na ulit in 9 minutes. I was in voice chat. I have to eat meat. You eat carrots. Why do I have sipon now? Dati pa ako may sipon. Bro, the them of the forest kick out beat. Don't you do that. I'll expert the carnival daw. I hate this game because they removed the pumpkin. Everyone loves pumpkin. Bruh. Di ba nandito yung carnival? Look, I'll go to the custom closet here. Don't know? While me, I'll explore the carnival. I always explore it because it's so fun. Diba? What will I get? Pumpkin pie? What is this? Okay, I got that one. Oh, what is that effect? Oo, may dyan na. Alam ko nandito yung pang may kung may dead end, papupunta ka dun at makakita ka ng custom closet. Bala nandito yun. Ah, 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 ah. I found the chest. Update the camp. I got candy corns. Will I find the cosmic closet? I will not find it. I want to find the cosmic closet. Wakar kita palitin.
Tagat mo sino ba yan?
Yes! 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 After you said that, I see my ano, you have a quest, right? You have to build 5 farm plots. Umakit ang ano ko. Oh my god. I hate this game. Ah,
Jason.
I hate this game, bro. I'm thinking, can you help me with the end of the maze? There's an alpha wolf. And it's nighttime.
I'm at the edge of my
Oh my god. And we're getting attacked. Bro, I'm one hit.
Oh my god, ano ba ba? No.
Uh-uh. I'm gonna go to
Do you have a
Coitus.
revolver?
No, you got a revolver, right? I have a ray gun.
Okay, wait, I have a revolver for you, but fast ammo.
I'll just get the other gold chest. My flashlight's slow, but it's a strong flashlight. Why didn't you get the rifle ammo? I'll get a strong axe. I think no. We're done. I got a strong flashlight. Do you need it? Oh, okay. No. This is why I don't like wolves. They always
Go back to base, wala na yung cultist.
okay. Ilan mo ba sa ko yung wolves? They always almost one-shot me.
Mhm. Dito na yung revolver mo. Nasa bed.
What the freak? Ano ko? What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Oh, I got a strong flashlight. I did a alpha wolf
Do
and
you need more than me?
star. Let's go to the maze.
Punta ko na sa main.
I did like because they say alpha wolf.
Okay,
Waiting for me. Sabi ng ano, cultist. Give me that kill or die.
wait. Just fire.
I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker.
Bro, I need both spell.
Okay. I'm gonna get stuck. I see a wolf. I got a wolf pelt.
Oh, why you so lucky?
I don't know.
Gimme.
Where are you?
I'm behind you. Get the meat, you need the meat.
Oh, right.
Now I have a good axe.
Now I have to eat.
So let's go to the maker.
It's right here. There was a alpha wolf waiting for me. It almost one-shotted me, bro. You won't survive this time. Assemble. I don't care about this. You go get the chair. I'll go to that another. I'll wait for you now. I have to open that thing. The only another chair.
No.
That mountain. I got a candy corn too. Does that count as meat? I have to eat it. What the fuck? This right here or here? Oh, there. There was a other here. It's right here. A symbol. We attack. Will I get inside? What did I get? I think it's fine. Huh? I got I got the like weapon thingy yung tinathrow. I don't know what to get. Lagi ako naiinis to kasi lagi siya nahuhulog. Yeah. What did I get? That's not even good. Dahil na game na to. I just worked hard. I just explored the chest. We did this for nothing. Lagi na lang yung mga dart na kuha natin. I'm gonna go to camp now. Yes, I can explore the volcanic biome now. I haven't explored the volcano. I always want the infernal chest. Get something paganito sa volcanic biome. So we can get ammo. No, so we can put it at the fire. Ano? Ilan mo may task eh? Hindi meron dun ammo. Creator. Oo nga, kaso wala sa'yo. Wala ka naman sa like, oh, punta na ako sa camp. Oh, I'm gonna go to the volcano. I'll explore the volcanic. I found a fuel canister. Okay. Bandages. If I die. I found a red chest. I found a not I found a volcanic chest. It's not even for like I got sacrifice token. I didn't like it because I can only do. Yes. 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 I just sneak around. I hate you, contest. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. So good. So good. So good. So good. So good. What if I got the infernal sword? Infernal shock? Where's the search? I go to the third. No. Oh, it's lapit mo sa akin. I'll explore the farm. I dropped my flashlight. Why are you following me? This way, contest. No, go away. No, no, no. I have to get my spear. Ah, I have to get food. Wait, 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 wait. What? What? Wait a minute. I had the infernal stack. So I can cook food. Let's go. What I'm hungry. I say all barrel.
You put it in the campfire. So, gusto ko wala rin campfire natin.
Huh?
O, sige lang yung campfire.
Okay. While I'm starving. I see the military base. Yan na lang campfire.
Okay.
It's now at 61.
Oh, oh.
It has been day 20. I still haven't got my quest done.
Baka bukas pa matatapos.
If we haven't crafted sundial.
Craft it.
I haven't. Who crafted because I'm exploring.
Me too.
Me too.
Going back to this.
Okay. I see a red chest. Inside a bench is a red chest, right?
No.
What?
It's not.
It's a nega.
No.
You're starving. It has it has been 27 minutes. From us! Should I collect it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I'm inside the Alpha territory, I always say Alpha will cheer. Star, I got a rifle with 12 ammo. Oh, I got trapped. Oh, Federer. Oh, I see, I see my enemy.
Kaya naman tayo.
Huh?
Ano rin.
Huh? Why are we at level 5 already? Let's save the 14. Star, let's save the 13.
I'm already saving it.
Aray, sama with me.
So, filling it up of it.
Okay. By the way, I have a rifle.
Me too.
Hey, that's
I have
it.
45 ammo.
I have 12. Will that kill the birds? I think it will kill the birds, right? There's
Yeah.
thunder. I see red there. I see it. Pag Noel, ano na tayo mag-steer? Mamaya pa.
What was there?
Ah,
Oh!
there.
I hate rain.
What is it? Oh! My head.
What? What happened?
I don't know. A crash. Should I, should I take the kid?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it back to base para
Burn it? Okay, burn it.
Pwede ka na kumain ng cake.
Bakit?
Kasi, ano na, 25. 25 day natin. Lauren, can you put some milk for me?
Okay. Look up.
Wow! Thank you.
Keep that. Oh, okay. I see a cord.
44
Is
seconds.
the furniture trader here?
May dance ka?
Wala. I don't need it because I have to ano.
Oh yeah, you don't want.
Yeah. We're gonna get Max Camp.
Mm-hmm.
I got the all barrel. What about you? I got two all barrels.
Hmm.
That's crazy. We should leave the Antonghorn. Pamaya. So I can get 100 diamonds. I want to buy the ano, Fire Bandit. So I can get the Infernal Sword.
Do you want to get 100 diamonds or do you just want the red?
No, I just want 200 diamonds.
Okay.
You know why? I want the Fire Bandit.
Bro, wag na to ka.
Nasunog ko yung kid. Nasunog ko. You go enter camp.
Okay, bro, I'm coming. Look at where I am. Nasa pinakadulo ko ng map.
Ay, yung pinamadulo. Oh, shit. Ouch.
Run
It
lang
hurts.
ako.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
Pass for your mother. Pass for your father.
It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
Hey, Lawrence, we get it. It hurts.
I'm getting shot.
I'm coming, Lawrence.
I'm running around, shooting them. There's so many cultists. Ano? Star, di ba? Yung, gutom, ang green desert day 20.